Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of PHP and MySQL series, and in today's video we are going to learn multi-dimension arrays in PHP. In the previous video of this series we have learned about what are arrays, what are indexed arrays, and what are associative arrays, but this concept was left, so I'm going to cover this concept in this video. So let's start. So first of all, you can see that I have created a file on my server which is multidimensionarray.php, and here I will first of all create PHP opening tag, and here I will create a array like cards, and after this I can type here the big brackets, and here I will press enter. But before pressing enter, we know in the previous video we store elements in an array like this, like cards and maybe Toyota. In this example, you can see that we have two elements inside this array. So this array is called single dimension array, but in case of multi-dimension array, let me teach you how we do this. I can remove these brackets and I can type here array, because we know that we can declare array with this method as well. You can use whatever you want. So I have typed here the array function, the small brackets. After this, I will press here enter, and again I will type here array, these small brackets like 1, maybe this would be the ID of the car, and Toyota, and I can save its price like maybe $5,000, and here I can type 2013. So you can say maybe this would be the model of our car. So I have stored these 4 values inside this array, and this array is also a element of our this main array cards. After this I will press here comma, and I will press here enter. You don't need to press enter. I am just pressing enter to just structure my code. If you want to type this in a single line like this, you can, let me unhide this, you can do this, but just to make you understand, I'm structuring my code, and in the professional development process you should structure your code so you can understand by yourself correctly. After this, I will again copy this and paste here, and here I can type here 2 like BMW, maybe 15,000. This is just a dummy price because I'm not aware of car prices. Here I'm going to type here 2022. I should type here 15 lakh, 1.5 lakh dollars. And here I'm again going to copy and paste this 3rd time, and I can store the ID as 3 like Tesla, and here I'm going to type the price of this car like maybe $20,000, and here I can type 2023. So here I have stored 3 cards information in the form of array inside our main array. Because we have arrays inside our main array, that's why this array called multi-dimension array. Let me echo this like pre to structured our array, and I can also type here print our cards semicolon, and after this you can type here / pre and semicolon. So I have used these pre elements so I can print my array in a structured way. Let me type here XAMPP. My XAMPP, Apache and MySQL is already installed. So I need to type here localhost / learn, which is our folder on my server, and in the last our file name, which is multi-dimensional array. I can press F2, Control A to select all, Control C to copy this, and Control V to paste here. So friends, you can see that our multi-dimensional array has printed on our screen successfully. Suppose you want to print this data in a single line. Let me show you how you will achieve that using for each loop. First of all, I will hide this and let me remove this one. Okay, so first of all I will type here for each and cards, which is our array name that we have defined at this position, and after this as I can type here element. Any value inside your array can called an element, and that element can be string, integer, or array as well, like in our this case. And here I will type these parentheses, and now when this loop will be executed, our this element, let me comment this, will be an array. First time when this loop will be executed, this array element will be stored in our this element variable. So we know that how we can print our array. I can print here like echo double quotes the id of dollar element. I can copy this and paste at this position, type here the big bracket, and I can type here 1. I think I should cut this and concatenate this like this. Again I have to type here dot, and again type here double quotes, and here I will type is equal to, again I will concatenate this, I will type here comma, my array name which is element, the big bracket, and we know that id is stored in at 0 index, so I will type here 0. Again I will type here dot double quotes, and here I can type dot, or let me skip this dots to remove confusion, and here I will type the id of element, the id of Toyota is 1, and price is space, again type here dot the element big bracket, and we know that our price exists at 0 1 and 2 at 2 index, so I will type here 2, again type here dot double quotes, and I can type here and model is, again type here dot element big bracket, and we know that model of our cards exist at third position 0 1 2 3, so I can type here 3, and in the last I can press here dot double quotes a br sign for a line break and press semicolon. So you can see that by concatenate I have created this string. Let me refresh my page so I can show you the output. So you can see that these lines are printed on our screen, and I have successfully fetched data from my sub arrays as well. The first string is the id of Toyota, so we know that this element was the id of element 1 means that fetch the arrays element which is at index number 1 and which is Toyota. That's why Toyota is printed at this screen at this position is equal to 1, and price is element 2 means $5,000 and model is 2023. So similarly you can see that the other two strings are printed on our screen. So basically if I explain this multidimensional arrays in one line, I can type here, if we have array with element of arrays, if we have array which contain elements of arrays, we can call it multi-dimensional array. So multi-dimensional array may be contain an other array in their sub elements, so that array would be called 3-dimension array. Currently this array is called 2-dimension array, and if we have single elements like in the previous video as we have discussed, we can call this the single dimension array. So friends, let us know if you like this video. Please share this video with your those friends who want to learn PHP programming language, and hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.